everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today, surprise, surprise, I have a painting project intro for you. As if this whole month hasn't been painting project intros. Yes, I have another one, and this is actually a new project. I was chatting with my girl Misty, and she had some thoughts about wanting to incorporate old and new products together in a project. Lots of people have done different things before. I think she talked with Paula about the past, present, future project, and she had said that she wasn't going to be doing it again this year. So, you know, Misty was a little bummed. We got to talking about it, and I'm like, let me think on it. Let me see if I can come up with something. And I came up with this concept, went back and forth with Misty on this, and this project, this very small project, was born. I do believe Claire said she is going to be joining in. Not sure if she's going to post on YouTube again or if she's just going to post on Instagram. I will have to get with her on that and see if she is in fact joining in and where she's going to be posting. This is open to anyone if they want to join in. It's 4 products. It is rolling. It is ongoing. There is no end date as of yet. It is like low stress, no stress, whatever. So if you're into tiny projects that give you plenty of time to get your stuff done and you know, no stress, this is for you. This is officially called Something Old, Something New, Something Gifted, Something Blue, because when Misty was talking about something old and new, of course that whole wedding thing popped into my head, and that's just where my brain went. My brain thinks in patterns, and you know, when she said words about she wants to do a project with something old and new, that's what was in my head. So, and I couldn't do borrowed because that would be weird, borrowing someone else's stuff. So I thought gifted, whether it was, you know, gifted from a friend, a loved one, whatever, it seemed to make more sense. So those are the 4 products. So, an old product, a new product, a gifted product, and a blue product. Yeah, I know, blue. Me and blue, we're not simpatico most of the time, but not all blue things are blue eyeshadow, so we're okay with that. We are posting this on January 24th. I'm filming this on January 3rd, 2nd or 3rd. Let's see. 3rd. It is the 3rd. I had to check my watch because I couldn't remember what day it was. I filmed so many intros in the past week. So yeah, this officially starts on January 24th, and that is, I will hold off on my products until then. And yeah, if y'all want to join in, we want to have you. Let me show you my something old, my something new, something borrowed, something blue, which will be hashtag old new gifted blue if you're doing it on Instagram. And I will try to remember to put that in my description box. All right, I do have one thing I have to swatch, so I had to pull up my sleeves here. My something old. I can't even tell you how old this is. This is the Adios Warming Lotion. It's for when you do heated manicures, which I don't even know if they still do those anymore. I had this so long, and it's still good. It still smells fine. It still feels fine. Yep, it still smells good. But I've had it forever. You can see the bottle is just beat up, and it needs to be, I need to say adios to the Adios Warmo Lotion. All right, something new. I got this in PR in the last couple of months. This is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal. It's in Universal Black. It is still in its little box here. And it has like plastic shrink wrap around it. So I can't even see what the wand looks like, but that is my new product. Now for my gifted product. And it seems very fitting that my gifted product is actually from Misty. This is the Vanny Cosmetics Pressed Glitter. It's in the color Parallel Universe. It is stunning, and I cannot wait to play with it. I was worried that I was going to need glitter glue because as of present, I don't own a glitter glue. Why are you not coming out? Come out, little glitter. Come out and play. This swatches beautifully without glitter glue. I'm going to show you what she looks like. It is a huge pan. This is like a blush-sized pan. That's like a typical eyeshadow here in the green. This bad boy is huge. She's pretty. And I'm going to swatch it for you. and it swatches so pretty. Without glitter glue, that is on a dry, like super dry skin hand, and it's pretty. It is super pretty. So my goal is going to be to finish that. I have plenty of time. I have glitter everywhere because I went like that. Yeah, I got plenty of time. There's, like I said, no time limit on this. So we're good. We're good. And then my something blue, not an eyeshadow, not an eyeshadow. I pulled the Rada Argan Oil. You can use this on your body. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your hair. There's a lot of different ways you can use argan oil. If you only have lotion and you need it to be a little bit more moisturizing, put a little argan oil in it. It's good to go. You can use it to add a little bit of shine to your hair, shine and moisture. It has tons of uses. I have it starting right here at this bottom white line. And again, I want to finish it all. It's going to take me a hot minute, but you know, it's all good. It is all good. The first thing that's going to be done is this Warmo lotion. I'm sure of it. And then probably the mascara, the glitter, and the oil. I will be rolling in something old again when this is done. And I'm just going to keep it going for as long as we want to do it. And again, if you want to join in, we would love to have you. Definitely go check out Misty. And if Claire's down there, then she said that she's definitely going to join in. And, you know, we will go from there. If you do decide to join in, let myself or Misty know in comments, and we will get you added to our description boxes so that other people can find you and join in. The more the merrier. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.